What's going on, guys? It's Lars. This is a very quick tutorial on how to start your sidewall if you do a 9-diamond top string using my brand new 9-diamond Jedi Mesh. So if I've done a 9-diamond top string, the next row down, which you would see right here, is the 8-diamond row. If I've done a 9-diamond top string, it's going to be pretty tough to pull the 8-diamond row all the way. It's going to be tough to pull the 8-diamond row all the way wide to the next hole down, which in this case is a little bit wider. So this is what I do. I'm going to double loop start my top string. I'm just not going to go around any mesh. I'm going to go outside in, outside in, outside in 3 times. So it's the same way that I would typically do a double loop start. My top string, even though I'm not tying any mesh to the plastic, I'm still going to pull and make sure that that's super tight. And then I'm just going to do the rest of my top string from there. Let's say I want to do an SI to the 3rd hole down because top string's in 1, top string tie off is in 1, sidewall start is in 2. If I do my next, I use an SI in hole number 3, back to front of the mesh, outside in through sidewall hole number 3, pull it tight. Front to back through that same hole, which is a little complicated when I have the stick at an angle like this, keeping everything nice and tight. And I pull down. And so I do another SI after that, back to front, the next hole of the mesh. Notice I'm keeping tension in the string, outside in through sidewall hole number 4, pull down, pull up, pull down, front to back through there. So beyond this double loop start in the second sidewall hole for this particular setup right now, I can do whatever sidewall I want. I can go inside to standard, I can go all standard, I can go inside to, or standard to outside, I can do whatever it is that I want. But this is how I start my sidewalls if I do a 9-diamond top string with my new 9-diamond Jedi Mesh. Keep stringing.